check this out. Look at this shirt. Look at this jacket.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Pam did not want me to buy Elvis. She thinks I'm not gonna be able to sell him. How's it going, everybody? Today we're gonna be hitting a couple thrift stores just for the heck of it, because why not? It's fun, right? Lately it's been not so great, but
Had a really lucky day yesterday.
we did have a lucky day yesterday. Why not try our luck again and hit some thrift stores, right?
Right.
Maybe we'll find something. You never know. And get lunch. Pam wants her lunch, so we will do that.
What am I gonna eat for lunch?
I don't know. What are you gonna eat?
I don't even know yet. I'm gonna think about it though.
Okay, how about this? Comment down below what you think Pam's gonna get for lunch right now, and then maybe you'll be right later. Who knows? If you guys are new to the channel, me and my wife Pam, I'm Ryan. We do all kinds of different fun adventures here on our channel. We do mainly buying and selling, and we like taking you guys along with us on our adventures. All right, let's go hit some thrift stores. Hey, check this out. Baseball video game, $2. Sealed. Is it vintage? It looks old. Yeah, it does look old. Is there a date on it? It's old anyway. 92. Brand new from 92, babe. Look.
You'll have to talk to John about it. I don't really know about baseball.
You like keyboards, don't you? Pam likes to type on keyboards. Old ones.
I used to like.
It's like satisfying to her.
I used to go to what is it? What's that place called? Staples, and
Yeah.
I'd touch all of the
Keys.
registers.
Wow, these shelves are cleared right off. That's interesting. Usually these are full of stuff. Hey, found some more stuff. Found this. And this.
Who?
And this.
What is that?
I don't really know, but it's brand new. We'll go over it when we get home. Alright, so that first store was a success. Things are looking up, don't you think?
Weren't too shabby.
Yeah, I think what it is after, you know, the holidays, people are purging a lot of their stuff because they got a lot of new gifts for Christmas, obviously. So I remember the same thing happened last year. After the holidays, thrift stores, they got better, right? Found some decent stuff. We'll show you guys all that when we get home. But we're gonna go to one more thrift store real quick and see if we can find anything else.
And I bet they're not gonna guess what I'm gonna eat for lunch.
Yeah, Pam told me, guys, what she's gonna eat for lunch. So keep guessing. You can keep guessing down in the comments below. We'll let you know at the very end of the video what she's gonna have. It's gonna be a tough guess. What?
We can show them while I eat it.
We can show them. All right, thrift store number 2. Ugh, I'm coming. I have to catch up to my wife. All right, see if they got anything. Hopefully this one's good too. We haven't found anything in this one for a while. Look at this shirt. Mary Dabmas. That's pretty funny. Hey, you need any scrubs for work? Some scrubs here. No? Alright, so found some more stuff in this corner here. First of all, I found this game. This game goes for good money on eBay. I'm not sure what they're asking for it, but it's pre-owned. Assuming, hoping all the pieces are there. But I'll take a shot on it if it's cheap enough. And then we got Game of Thrones. Definitely grab that. Did you find something? This?
No, I found that. I already pulled apart that to see if they had all the things, and then I was thinking, how often am I actually going to eat a s'more? You probably won't let me eat s'mores that often.
What's this? Filters?
Oh, I can't wait to test this to see if these work.
They're all there, right? Yep.
Actually, I'll be sad if this is
I'm gonna get this for my sister because she just got engaged.
Yeah.
Okay. Babe, look, I was just looking at these. Look. It's got a FBA sticker on it.
That.
I'll pass on it if it's got that.
Well, I didn't know it's for...
Yeah, they're no-name brand filters.
Oh.
Beer kit. Brew your own beer. Interesting. Look at this jacket. Wonder how much they're asking on it. I don't see it. I don't see a price on it. These things sell really well. I'll have to ask. Alright, so price check $4. So we're gonna get it. This is really nice. Good condition too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll sell good. What do you think? Got a pretty good bundle here.
Yeah.
Time to
go make food.
Time to go make food. Sure, there's nothing else worth grabbing. You can tell they've really purged this store too. Like they're anticipating a lot of new inventory coming in. Looks a whole lot different from last time we were here, which is a good thing. Yeah, I saw that too. I looked it up, I couldn't really find anything on it.
No, but I saw that thing. I didn't notice that before.
That big, like, that giant, what even is that?
Yeah.
I didn't even know what that is.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. That poster's kind of cool.
Get out of here.
You ready?
My belly's ready.
Your belly's ready. Pam's hungry. Look at this Elvis fig. Should we ask how much Elvis is? There's no price tag on him.
No, his eyes are closed. He's sleeping.
Unless it says there's prices on the dolls. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Pam did not want me to buy Elvis. I did it anyway.
Elvis is nice.
I did it anyway. I did it anyway. She thinks I'm not going to be able to sell him. I think you're wrong.
He's worth what you think he is.
Paid $5 for him. I think he's cool. I couldn't leave him behind. Elvis has entered our house.
No, he hasn't. He's just left the building. He hasn't made it to the house yet.
All right, guys. You guessed what Pam was going to eat for lunch, right? I'm going to show you guys, see if you were right. What is it?
It's pancakes. Well, these ones are Kimmy's because they're dark. Right, Kimmy?
She's like, I like the burnt ones, Mom.
And then I made some
Blueberry muffins,
blueberry muffins. But, guys, don't get excited. I literally get the things where I just add water.
right?
And then I still
It's
burn
easy.
it.
It's hard to mess it up.
And then I have the pan here waiting for the rest to go in.
All right, so we've got everything back home here that we got at the thrift store. And to be perfectly honest with you guys, I was pleasantly surprised with this thrift store haul. It was definitely great to go to the thrift store and find some good stuff that we're gonna be able to make a little bit of money on. So this jacket right here, I think is a really good score. I'm no clothing expert, but it says professionally dry clean only da-da-da-da-da. It's 100% pure wool, and it is kind of like a trench coat sort of thing. And the brand is London Fog. Now, I looked up London Fog men's jackets on eBay, wool ones, and there was like 30 something listed and like 40 something have sold. So they obviously are selling very well, and especially going into the winter months, you know, somebody's going to be looking for this sort of thing anyway. And that's one of the big reasons why I pick it up, because we don't really deal with a whole lot of clothing. But this, I figured, you know what, I'll take a shot on it. The comps on average for this brand are going for around like $50 plus shipping. So we got it for $4, and it's definitely gonna be a really good flip. It's probably one of the best thrift store finds we've found in quite a long time. So if anybody knows anything about this brand, let me know, because we really don't deal with a lot of clothing. We probably never will, but this, I had a gut feeling it's probably worth picking up. So I did. So Pam's cooking her muffins. She forgot to set the timer, so they're probably burnt. Are they burnt?
No, they're liquid.
Oh, okay. You're good then. You'll just have to keep an eye on them.
Yeah, but I always feel like they need to come out when I can smell them, when apparently
Well,
that's
let's-
not
no.
really life.
No.
Because it didn't work during the turkey.
So you also saw We picked up Mr. Elvis here. Look at Mr. Elvis. Don't you love him? I had a good feeling about this figure. He's all dressed out in his leather. He's porcelain. He's porcelain. And he's got a nice little stand in pretty good condition. And I mean, there's a huge market for Elvis stuff. He was only $5. So I figured, yeah, let's take a shot on him. See what happens. You know what? Maybe I'll even put him at auction. How about that? You want me to put him at auction? We also picked up this little plate here. I'm probably just gonna give this to my sister because she just recently got engaged. It was $2.50.
Congratulations, by the way.
Yeah, she just recently got engaged, so I'm gonna give this to her where it has a ring on it. Pretty cool.
Oh wait.
I think she'll like it.
Who's your maid of honor?
You.
Right. Right.
All right, so we also picked up these DVD sets. Now, I was hoping that these were gonna do a little bit better than they're probably gonna do. Probably paid too much for them. Had I known at the time, I would have left them behind. Paid $4 for this one and then $5 for this one. I'd be lucky probably to get $10 a piece for them. So not gonna make a whole lot of money on them, but it is what it is, I think. We'll see. This is the season 4 of Game of Thrones box DVD set, so I figured I'd pick that up because it's such a popular show, but I don't think it's gonna sell all that great as far as money-wise goes. And then I got this Doctor Who. It's a lenticular cover, which is cool. This was $5, but yeah, I don't think this is worth probably much more than $5, to be honest. But it is what it is. Gotta take risks sometimes, right? Then I found this game right here, and it caught my eye because, you know, the whole horror theme, and it's The Walking Dead. Anything horror, I learned this from my good buddy Justin, RVA Flips. Anything horror, definitely keep an eye out for it. More than likely, if you can get it cheap, it's going to sell really well and for some good money. But this is a shoot 'em up game, strategy board game, and of course, Walking Dead. This was sitting in the corner of a thrift store on a shelf, and I was probably overlooked all the time, just sitting there on the shelf. It was only $1, and these are selling very well on eBay for around $15 to I would say $25. So we'll do really well on this game here. Excited about that find. Last two things I picked up solely because they were sealed, brand new, and the price was really low. They were super cheap. This is, I don't even know what this is. It's a mini muffin matchup. It's a math activity set. Brand new, sealed, and it's some sort of like learning device for kids or something. And what did we pay for this? $3 for this. And they're not selling like crazy on eBay. I'll have to do a little bit more research, but there was some new listed for like $34, and there's one that sold for, I think it sold for around like $14, $15 plus shipping. So we'll do all right on it, I think, but it just might not be a fast mover. But it is what it is. Where it's brand new, don't have to worry about counting pieces or anything like that. I figured I would just take a shot on it for $3. It's worth it. And then finally, we got this vintage extra bases baseball game. No sold comps on eBay. There's a few listed for around $15. I don't think there was any sold comps. There might have been one. But we could probably get at least 10 for this plus shipping. Paid $2 for it. So not the best flip in the world, but it is what it is. Where I saw that it was a vintage game and it was only $2. I couldn't pass it up. Had to grab it. 1992 is when it's from. So brand new, sealed. We'll throw that up in our store. That also may be a slow mover, but not the end of the world. I think this stuff is some decent stuff. Definitely a lot better than the past few times we've gone to thrift stores. We skipped Goodwill today because Goodwill has been absolutely horrible. I'm not sure if we'll even go back there. Maybe once in every 6 months we'll pop in there, but it's been really bad. So we're just going to mom and pop's thrift stores lately to find stuff. But that's what that is, and that's our haul. I also want to mention we got some really cool gifts in the mail from some good friends of ours and also from a viewer. So we're gonna talk about that real quick. First of all, we got this right here, this little Simba lion. It talks. Well,
I got that.
Well, this is Pam's. Yeah, it's not ours. It's not mine, it's Pam's.
Kimmy wants
No, it's not for you.
Not
This is special Simba, okay?
Yes.
Justin at RVA Flips sent us this because he knew Pam liked lions. We recently had a lion that we donated to charity, or for Toys for Tots, and she wanted to keep it, and he saw that video, so he decided to send her ones that she can keep. And then he also sent me a memory card,
Wait.
which I can't show you because it's in my camera right now. That's what this is being written to. A really big memory card, like 400 gigabyte, which is awesome. Like, I needed a huge memory card for filming. So Justin, thank you so much, man. Once again, I know I already told you, but
Thank you, Justin.
they were really good, awesome gifts. So
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I get to cuddle with mine.
yeah, you get to cuddle with yours.
Yeah.
Finally, we got an amazing gift in the mail. Now, someone emailed me on our email, asked for an address to send a gift to Pam. And his name is Manuel. So Manuel, if you're watching this, thank you very much. He sent a really nice note. I'll let Pam read it because this was for her. But he sent a really cool gift. Wait till you guys see this.
To Ryan. No, I already messed it up. I'm so used to everything being Ryan and Pam. To Pam and Ron. My name is Manuel. Go by On the Hunt 90701. This is for Pam. I found it out in the wild. And I thought of her. Sorry, Ryan. I'll get you next time. Keep doing a great job. Thanks, Manuel. On the Hunt 90701. I'm not giving you his last name because he's my friend. And this is what he found.
How cool is that? It's a Ray Dunn mug that says Dreamer on it.
That's me.
That's so cool.
That's basically my face. This is what my face looks like without the glasses. Thank you so much, Manuel, for my cup. I literally was using it. I just had to wash it before this so I wouldn't get it out. But I had my
Thank
coffee
you,
in it this
Manuel.
morning.
Really do appreciate it, man.
Thank you so much.
Pam's gonna treasure that one forever.
Ryan is very appreciative that I will be caffeinated at all times because he can't handle me when I'm non-caffeinated. But yes, I love my mug.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. You just missed Pam broke a glass jar of barbecue sauce and it went everywhere.
I told you I don't cook.
Luckily nobody got caught, so we're all good.
Nobody got it.
Nobody got hurt, nobody got cut. But yeah, that was scary. Anyway, have a great rest of your day, everybody. Thank you for watching once again.
I'm bleeding. Just go on without me, Ron. And YouTube.